Hey guys, so this is New York City beekeeping. So today is March 11th, 2021. The time right now is around 10:45 in the morning, and flying around very vigorously, very good. They're bringing in pollen. They got pollen somewhere they found, and they're bringing in pollen. You can see coming in on both ends, here and there. Again, this is my nuke. This was my experiment from last year. This is the first time I actually did a nuke. Overwintered with 4 frames, and they overwintered pretty well. I'm going to be opening up later on in a week maybe, and I'll show you how the queen is laying her eggs there. So that was the nuke. This is my other 5 that survived the winter as well. Both the nuke, this colony, and this colony, they're all my bees, my queens. They were all bred here in New York City. And if you can tell, they're bringing in pollen from somewhere. This is not the artificial one that I gave them. I will show you what's going on with the artificial one that I gave them. All the spices that they have in there. We'll see how they do. That's them. This is my other colony that survived the winter as well. And this is the last one. Depending where you are, you should probably have the same activity from the overwintered bees. Let's check it out. See if they're taking any water. One bee getting some water. Maybe they get water somewhere else. Right there. I just put this out. Oh, we got one bee in there right now. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more in there, but not as much because they already started finding something out in the wild. So let's see what happens. See you guys later.